Yeah, continuing on here, I've been able to get the camshaft out. As you can see, it's pretty rusty, but still salvageable actually. It was in there tight though. It took pounding on a, well, actually I got that up, 1-inch square bar, and used it for a lever and pounded on it, and it eventually come flying out. And then I was able to undo one of the two crankshaft bolts, but I ended up having to chisel the connecting rod in half to get it out there. I got the, just show you my jig here, I got the crankshaft in a blade mount clamped in my vise, and then I rotated it back and forth because I had the connecting rod undone, and then eventually, see, now it's still tight, got it off the crankshaft there. It's got like black corrosion on it, but the connecting rod actually turns, but it's just so tight. Both ends of the crankshaft were so tight in the engine block that it just would not come out. I even drilled out the points plunger. It was stuck, so I had like a rifle drill that I used to drill it out. It's not to size yet, but then I put penetrating oil in, so I get the penetrating oil in the cavity. Then I mounted it up here in the vise and started rotating it. Took everything I had with both hands to get it to rotate though, and eventually I was able to walk its way up and off the crankshaft. So making some progress. I see the valves, both springs have let go off the keepers there, and the tappets are seized in, running me out before. The rod broke off right up close to the piston there. I don't know, the tappets, they're probably going to break off. I've had that happen before too. So I'm going to have some fun with the getting the valves and the tappets out of it for sure, as well as the piston. Still undecided what to do with the piston. I think if I put it in a press, I would break the engine block. So I think I'm going to drill a bunch of holes in it, and I don't know, be careful with a hacksaw, try to cut the piston in half. I don't know, I'll see, but I'll show it on the video anyway. So, slow progress basically on the 67 Subterranean. It's basically fighting me every way it can.